You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to your trusted guide for seamless international moves. If you plan to relocate from San Francisco to some exciting destination like the UK or maybe Spain, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how SDC International Shipping ensures your household goods are packed and transported with utmost care. In today's episode, we'll explore the meticulous packing and moving services provided by SDC International Shipping. Whether it's your precious piano, your cherished artwork, or everyday household items, we know how to handle all of them. Proper and reliable packing is crucial when it comes to international household moves. At SDC International Shipping, we've perfected the art of packing and moving to ensure your belongings arrive safely at your new home. Our team uses high-quality packaging materials and specialized techniques to protect your items during loading, transportation, and storage. This is why families moving from Los Angeles to Spain or from San Francisco to the UK trust us with our international relocation. So what exactly do we pack and move? Well, our services include packing and moving personal belongings like furniture or office appliances, electronics, and even vehicles. Let's break down a few items. Furniture. No matter the size of your home, from a studio apartment to a 4-bedroom house, our professional movers use blanket wrapping, custom crating, and other protective materials to safeguard your furniture. Pianos. Moving a piano internationally requires special care. Our experienced packers use the right materials and techniques to ensure your piano is delicately packaged and in perfect condition. Artwork. Your artwork deserves the best protection. We use specialized boxes and custom-made crating to secure each piece, whether a valuable painting or a delicate sculpture. Let's move on to vehicles. SDC International Shipping also specializes in preparing and shipping cars internationally. Whether you're choosing containerized shipping or the roll-on, roll-off method, our logistic experts will guide you through each steps and make sure there's minimal risk of damage and a smooth custom clearance process. Maybe you're a family relocating from Los Angeles to Portugal or from San Francisco to London. You can rest easy knowing that your vehicles are in safe hands. SDC International Shipping offers comprehensive moving services to over 100 countries worldwide. That includes popular destinations in Asia and Europe, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, with dedicated facilities for storage and shipping preparations in the US and Europe. We provide efficient and reliable services from major ports like Los Angeles, Houston, and Miami. Our additional services include inventory preparation, furniture assembly and disassembly, customized crating, assistance with custom documentations, marine insurance, and warehouse solutions. Let's talk costs. Each move is unique, so the cost of our packing services depends on the size of your home and the amount of packaging material that's needed. Once you provide a complete inventory of your items, we'll give you an upfront estimate. So why should you choose SDC International Shipping? Our experienced staff are trained to handle international moves with care and professionalism, using our proprietary packing techniques to minimize the risk of damage. If you're looking for full-service moving and packing solutions, SDC International Shipping manages every aspect of your relocation. So call us today or submit our online quote form to contact us for free moving estimates. We're going to make your move from California to Europe a stress-free experience. Thanks for listening today. Please subscribe and visit our website for more information. Safe travels, and we'll see you next time.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, We're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.